Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and today I'd like to show you how to create some spooky, scary skeleton bases. Here are the paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. First thing I did is to build up some texture and height on the base. I put on some superglue and then applied some cat litter. I poured baking soda onto the superglue to make it harden instantly. I'm using fresh cat litter, but used works as well. To build up more height and texture, I just keep adding more and more superglue and cat litter. The nice thing about using cat litter for this is you don't have to wait for anything to dry. The superglue activates almost instantly. Next, I needed some skeletons, so I went to my favorite kit, the Warlords of Arrowwind Skeleton Warriors, and I clipped myself about 2 full skeletons. Then I cleaned all my bits, and then I began supergluing them down to the base. If you're having a hard time getting a good connection between the skeleton and the base, you can add more baking soda for a better connection. With this skeleton foot, it has a very small connection point to the base, but I poured on some baking soda to make some more surface area. And to add a few more skulls to the base, I dipped into my Games Workshop Citadel Skulls box. If you like our stuff, stay tuned for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now that my skeletons are all attached, it's time for painting. First, I prime the models black. I'm doing this with an airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. Next, I base coated the models with some Games Workshop Dryad bark. I'm doing this with my airbrush, but you could also do this by layering up a few thin coats using a brush. Once that was dry, I gave the model a dry brush with some Vallejo Earth. Then to finish off the model, I gave it a dry brushing of some Vallejo Bonewhite. If you followed along with this video, please post your work to Instagram and tag EonsOfBattle so that we can share it. And then last but not least, I painted the skirt with some black paint. And there you have 2 spooky pile of bones bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.